That squeaking is so annoying. I think we're good though. I just might get some I'm gonna go get some air. I think I got time. I got time. You know what's crazy? I honestly can't believe that people actually drive Cybertrucks. like unironically, they actually enjoy the truck. I find that crazy. It seems very gimmicky, but hold on, Mavis is closed on Saturdays? What? This air thing better be on though. I know that. It looks like it is. All right, let's fill up. I always forget what I do. I think I do 30 or 31 all around. I don't even know, bro. Nah, I think I need new sensors. I think we'll be all right. We'll be all right. I think my sensors are misreading what's in my tires, so that's not something that we're gonna worry about right now. We'll just add that to the list of things to do, I guess. Wow, gas prices are going down. Okay, we're at like $4 and some change. That's much better than $4.50. That's what it, $4.60 is what it was like last week. I learned that quite a bit of y'all actually skate, like for real skate, and that's what's up. I didn't think many of y'all would skate, so heading to the park now. I can show y'all this. This is like an outdoor park that I go to. It's not too crazy. Like it's a decent little park, nothing too crazy. The park that I usually go to is too far right now, and also we have the Ironman event going on in that area, so like all of the roads and parking lots are blocked off for the event. What is that? Alexis? IS 350, something like that. I think the car is warmed up enough. She a little old, you know. She got she got joint pains, arthritis. You gotta let her stretch a little bit, you know. Gotta let her stretch a little bit, warm up. Behind me. That looks like a big body though. Let's see what that is. That thing is big. What is that? Like an A series? 540i? That thing is huge. He's trying to tail me a little bit. Yeah, we're not doing no racing today, man. We're not doing no cat and mouse today, I don't think. Plus, bro's probably like twin turboed or something. I don't know shit about those 5 series. They're probably fast. What, like 500 horsepower probably? heavy as hell. I don't know. Oh yeah. She's warmed up. She's warmed up a little bit. Down a little bit. What you got back there, bro? That boy's going to New York. Oh, Lord. You gotta drive. Oh shit, I didn't even realize we caught up to that IS. Bro, this is why you can't be flying in Florida, bro. I'm telling you, there's always a cop pulling onto the highway, bro. No, 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 no. We weren't going that fast. Ah, now we're stuck in traffic. Come on. I do not know where bro is right now. It's all good. We're not gonna worry about it. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. All right. I gave you plenty space and time. It's all good. Yo, we're gonna miss our exit. Y'all see bro right here, bro? Y'all see bro right here? I swear, Tesla drivers be some haters, bro. They do not want you to get in front of them. Or big ass trucks. Big ass trucks and Tesla drivers, they do not like you. Ah, we could just skip this exit. There's always another exit. Bro, this is who's causing all the traffic. This dude right here. This dude right here, bro, that's crazy. Nah, bro, you gotta get another lane. All right, we made it. Jeez, bro, that's crazy. I sit here wondering why there's so much traffic. Bro's in a freaking 1930. I don't even know what he was driving. Bro can barely keep up with the speed limit. Tell you what, my brakes feel a lot better. A lot better. I genuinely don't understand how or why it took. Look at this. What is that? I genuinely have no idea what that is. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I know one of y'all know what that is, so I'll leave it to y'all to tell me what it is. I know y'all are gonna be like, yo bro, you don't know shit about cars. I know a little bit. Come on now, I know a little bit. Anything that's before my time, probably not. I'm not gonna lie, probably not. I'm not really into the old stuff. This is probably as old as I would go. 2000. Damn, I lost my train of thought. What was I saying before? I legit forgot what I was talking about. Look, my temps are creeping up to 230 at idle. I'm pretty sure my fans work, and I'm sure they kick on at a certain temperature. But I want to see if I can I don't know, I need to look at that. I do know I want to get an upgraded radiator, that's for sure, and I could probably go ahead and get upgraded fans too, because I genuinely do not want to idle at 230 in this hot ass Florida weather. Granted, it's like, what time is it? Like 6 p.m. almost, so it's a little bit cooler than middle of the day. But I do want to look at that. I need to check that out, because I think 230 is like, I think 230 is like kind of pushing it. It's like, all right, maybe something should be checked out. You know. But then it just goes back down. It just goes back down. Not bad. Okay, here we go. Everything's feeling, what do they say, hunky-dory? Damn, that's all their land? Holy fuck. I'm trying to get like that. Yo, they got like 10 acres over there. What in the... You know what I would do with that much land? I would build an indoor skate park, put some giant fans in there, and I'd be set for life. I would build a private skate park and call it a day. Bro, I'm telling you. Man, I hope y'all are having a good week. I would say my week's been pretty good, very productive. We got some things we gotta get done, some goals to accomplish, and I think we're working towards that. So I would say my week was pretty good. So I hope y'all's went well too, man. Don't worry, we're not gonna speed through here. This is a residential area, all right? Oh, fuck. Oh, that hurt my, like, the left side of my spine. I tell you what, it is pretty nice to have a weekend car. Feels pretty good to have a weekend car. That's been a goal for a long time though. Long time. Okay, park's not that crowded. Actually, it's not crowded at all. That's what I like to see. Oh. Almost forgot to show you all the park. This is it. There's nobody here. Usually there's a lot more people, but got the park to myself today. This is the board, little Florida deck, 825, and yeah, we're just cruising around. I think today I'm doing ledges, and what the hell? Road just drove up on the grass. Okay. I think I'm working on doing rails and ledges. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Probably until it's dark. Car's looking nice. All right, time to skate. Honestly, I bust my ass a couple times today, but that's nothing new. It's almost time to set up another board, but I'm gonna call it quits here. I am low-key exhausted, so I think I'm just gonna head out, go get some food, take my ass home, and go to sleep.